Hey guys, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy. I'm back with Miss Aria, and today we're going to be doing an easy side braid for you guys. You can do this on long hair, short hair, medium hair, straight hair, curly hair, wet hair, dry hair, the whole 9 yards. So no matter what type of hair you have or what length of hair you have, this style will work for you. If you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. We would really love to have you all as part of our little YouTube family. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay guys, so to start this style, I have just done a side part. This is on the left side. You can part your hair on either side you prefer. It really doesn't matter. And I have dampened her hair a little bit here just because she has a lot of frizzies and flyaways. So if you don't have that problem, then you can totally do this on dry hair. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up a section right in the front here. And I'm going to start a French braid. You can do French or Dutch, whichever you prefer. And we're just going to keep this pretty tight to the head and then add in small sections as we braid back. Now, as I braid behind her ear here, I'm going to just take it right back this way and not scoop the hair up from right behind her ear. So that way some hair is hanging down on the side in the back. Okay, so I've only braided back to about the crown of her head, and that is where I'm going to stop adding in hair. I'm just going to braid a couple more stitches without adding any hair in. Now I'm going to take a small elastic and add it in where the French braid ended. Now you could leave it just like this, and it's perfect for every day. It's perfect for days when you're not sure if you want to wear your hair back or when you want to wear your hair, or if you want to wear your hair down. So it's the best of both worlds. You got your hair down on this side, down in the back, but then you've got it back out of your face on this side. If you wanted to make it a little more soft, a little more grown up, a little more boho, well, you could pancake this braid a little. Just grab on the edges, pull it out softly. And make it nice and full. So that is the finished style. It's really quick and easy and perfect for school mornings, running late. You put 2 minutes into your hairstyle. You can do this on your own hair. So it's a DIY style. It's just a really great, versatile hairstyle. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure and give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And also, I just filmed some fun first impressions and dupe videos on my beauty channel, ASK Beauty and More. So if you're interested in those, I will have that channel linked in the description bar down below, along with our social media handles. That's all for this one, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.